Hello and welcome to the Media Studio located on the second floor of the Halifax Central Library. This is a free space where you can explore your creativity and work on all sorts of audio and visual projects. The Media Studio is a DIY environment that promotes self-learning. Studio users will take the lead on their own projects, but our friendly and knowledgeable staff will be available to provide assistance and troubleshooting during your session. Inside the space, you will find two acoustically treated recording studios, each with the equipment and software needed for your next creative project. We house an impressive collection of instruments and microphones that you may use during your session, or you can bring your own instruments from home. We also offer cameras, lighting, and various backdrops that can be used for photo and video projects. The Media Studio features 3 additional iMac workstations in our editing room, complete with all the software needed for your audio, photo, video, and design projects. We also offer a digitization cart where you can convert records, cassettes, and VHS tapes to a digital format. The library's recording studios can be booked once per week for an individual or group. Studio A can hold a maximum of 4 people and Studio B can hold a maximum of 6. iMac workstations can be booked more frequently based on current availability. Please note that food and beverages are not permitted inside the recording studios, but you're more than welcome to keep a covered drink in the main room for quick access. The Media Studio is only open during the designated times on our booking request form. Studio hours and availability are different from the library's open hours. All Media Studio sessions are 2 hours in length. To make a reservation for the Media Studio, please visit our website and fill out the booking request form. A staff member will respond to your inquiry with a day and time that matches your availability. To use the space, you will need to have a Halifax Public Library's card and watch the orientation videos prior to your first visit. When you arrive at the studio for your first session, we will ask you to sign an intake form that references the policies and procedures outlined in the following videos. Thanks for your interest in our free community space. We look forward to seeing you soon.